Okay, this is going to be a little demo on how to use a leader retriever. Leader retriever is for 35 millimeter film. This is the basic principle. They all, as far as I know, look pretty much like this. They're different brands and slightly different shapes, but consists of a big piece of plastic with 3 thin plastic parts that sort of work together to pull the film out from the cassette. So you can, well, I'll show you in a second. So you can do a few things like, if you wound the film into the cassette inadvertently, you could reuse it and put it back in your camera. If you wanted to start loading the film onto a developing reel, you could start doing that in the light and then turn off the light and continue loading, but you'd have it started on the reel, which is a big benefit, especially with like the Patterson developing tank system, sort of automatically, once you get the first part in, this automatically moves everything forward, making things very simple. But whatever reason you might want to use a leader retriever, let's just show you how it works. So here we go. We've got the leader retriever. It has these 2 sliding parts here. And this black bit here, it goes in between the 2 pieces of felt in the 35 millimeter film cassette. And you move the first slider in and you rotate the film counterclockwise. And you'll hear a click every so often. And the goal is to stop moving exactly when you hear the click. So there we go. That was pretty nice, loud click. Okay, then you push the second slider in and you grab them both and pull out. And voila, you've got the leader back. It does take some practice, but I think just having seen this might be of some use to some people. So good luck.